This video quickly walks you through on how to change the recording format on OBS Studio. Maybe the video gets saved in MP4 and you want to switch to another format. Learn how to do that. First, click on Start. Click inside the search for Windows users. Search for the name of the software, which is OBS Studio in this case. Once it shows up as the best match, click on it. As the app opens, click on File. On clicking on File, you will see some options. Select Settings. On this settings page, you'll be landed on the General. What you need to click on next is the Output. On clicking on Output, get to Recording Format. Here, .mp4 is chosen. If you want different formats, click on this drop down and you will see a list. Maybe you want hybrid MOV. In this case, I'll click on that. Then after that, I'll click on Apply. After that, click on OK. And this new format will be applied to every new video you'll be recording on the software. If this helps, consider subscribing. Here we cover a lot on information technology, including video editing tips. Okay, so subscribe to learn more. Hit the like button and leave a comment in the comment section. See you some other time.